I'll be showing you step by step how to add a like button to your Shopify product pages, and I'll be doing so using an app that has a completely free plan. I'll be showing you everything step by step, so make sure you stay until the end of the video. So I'll leave a link for this app in the description below, but it's called Likely, and it's a like me button for your Shopify store. And so to install it, just open up the link there. You can also find it in the Shopify App Store. And let's begin the installation sequence. So once I click install, I'll get to the installation screen. If you're comfortable with the permissions, just click install app here. And so the setup is just going to take a few steps here. So first we want to enable this in our Shopify theme. We can do so by toggling the enable button, and then we can go and set this up in the front end by clicking beside step 2, the setup button here. This is going to open up our Shopify theme. So it's opened up a product page here. This is my default product template. So let's go and add this in by clicking add block. You can see a suggested block here is set up likely. If you don't see it, you can also just search for likely. And I can click on this here to go and add that to my product page. I can see it now shows up below my product description. If you want to change where it's being shown, you can hover over these 6 dots, and let's say I want to drag this to the top here. And to finalize these changes, all you have to do is click on save in the top right. So let's go and test this out now that we've added it in. So I'm going to load my live Shopify store here, scroll down to the same product, and I can see the like button is now at the top of the page here. And if I click on like, it's going to increase that count. If I reload it, I can see my like has now been counted in. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. You can get one-click calculations. All you need to do is select the date range you're looking for, and you're going to get real-time calculations for your revenue, cost of goods sold, as well as your ad spend, including Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Pinterest, TikTok, and Bing. It also has integrations with CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress. You get a ton of different details and analytics, and there's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left here. So make sure you check that out to get one-click profit calculations. So I've just reloaded the dashboard of the app as well. I can see I now have 1 total like here. I can see my most liked product is the outdoor camping bag. So I'm going to get real-time feedback on what my potential customers are interested in. This is also going to add social proof here, as anyone viewing the product page can see how many likes there are. So definitely a cool app here and a really easy way to add a like button. As mentioned, there is a completely free plan for up to 10 likes. And after that, it's $2.99 a month. To note, I don't have any affiliation with this app here, but it is super easy to set up and does exactly as described. So this concludes the video here on how to add a like button. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button below for this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.